Good morning, fam. Let's start our day with a routine designed to relax, restore, and rejuvenate your body. This is for anyone feeling tension in their shoulders, back, or hips, or for those simply wanting a calm and balanced beginning to their day. If you've been carrying the weight of stress or waking up feeling stiff, this gentle flow will help you reset and recharge. You won't need any equipment today, just a comfortable mat or soft surface, and a willingness to show off for yourself. This routine is perfect for your living room, bedroom, or even a quiet corner outdoors, where you can embrace the morning calm. We'll ease into this with grounding poses, gently stretch your spine and hips, and finish with the melting away tension in your shoulders and neck. I promise you that by the end of these 5 minutes, you'll feel lighter, more relaxed, and ready to take on the day. We're starting in child's pose to ground ourselves and invite calm into our morning. Kneel on your mat, bring your big toes to touch, and let your knees open wide. Sit your hips back toward your heels and extend your arms forward, resting your forehead gently on the mat. Breathe deeply, inhaling through your nose and exhaling slowly. This pose releases tension in your lower back, opens your hips, and invites a sense of stillness. I promise you, with every breath, you'll feel more connected and at ease. If your hips feel tight, place a cushion between your heels and glutes. For more support, rest your head on a block or pillow. Take one more deep inhale, and as you exhale, slowly come to all fours, ready for our next stretch. Let's unwind the tension in our upper back and shoulders with thread the needle. From all fours, take your right arm and thread it under your left, lowering your shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square and your left hand grounded for support. Hold here for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Now switch sides. Thread the left arm under your right, resting your shoulder and ear to the mat. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch deepen with each exhale. This stretch relieves tension in your upper back and shoulders while improving spinal rotation. I promise you'll feel lighter and less restricted by the end. Place a pillow under your shoulder for added support, or extend the opposite arm forward to deepen the stretch. Slowly rise back to all fours, letting your upper body feel relaxed and ready to move. Now, let's deepen the shoulder stretch and gently open the chest with puppy stretch. From all fours, walk your hands forward, keeping your hips stacked above your knees. Lower your chest toward the mat and rest your forehead and elbows down. Breathe deeply as you feel your shoulders and spine open. This pose releases tension in your shoulders, upper back, and chest, creating space for better posture. By the end of this minute, I promise you'll feel more open and free. If the stretch feels too deep, place a pillow under your chest or keep your arms slightly bent. With your next inhale, lift your chest and return to a seated position for the next stretch. Let's shift to our hips and groin with the relaxing lying butterfly stretch. Lie on your back and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open. Rest your hands by your sides or place your hands on your belly. Breathe deeply and let gravity gently open your hips. This stretch releases tension in the inner thighs and hips while promoting relaxation. By the end, I promise you'll feel more grounded and at ease in your lower body. If your hips feel tight, place pillows under your knees for support. You can also keep your feet slightly further away from your body. Take one last deep breath, then gently bring your knees together and sit up for a final stretch. Finally, let's ease tension in the neck and shoulders with gentle neck tilts. Stand or sit comfortably with your spine tall. Drop your right ear toward your right shoulder, feeling the stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold for 15 seconds, then slowly roll your chin towards your chest and bring your left ear to your left shoulder for another 15 seconds. Repeat this flow for the full minute, moving slowly and mindfully. This stretch releases built-up tension in the neck and shoulders, areas that hold stress. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel lighter and more aligned. If sitting isn't comfortable, you can perform the stretch standing. Place your hand on your head for a deeper stretch. Take one final deep breath and let your shoulders relax completely as we close out this session. Beautiful work, fam. You've given your body 5 minutes of love and care, releasing tension and setting a calm, grounded tone for the day. Remember, it's the small, consistent moments like this that lead to big changes. By showing up, you've already won the day. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button and invite your friends to join our growing community. It's always better with accountability buddies. Merry Christmas, and don't forget to grab your free fitness gift in the description below to help you level up your journey. Stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.